What the hell? I obviously have the key in my hand, but I just can't open the door? Have you ever encountered this situation? If this happens, don't panic. Today I will tell you a little method. Directly save $1,000 in towing costs. There is a small mechanism on the top of the key. Pull out the mechanical car key. Insert into the small hole under the door handle. Pry gently. Remove the small cover. Insert the mechanical key into the lock hole. Turn the key slightly. Successfully open the car door. Because the car key is out of power, can't start car. Don't worry, look here. Find the sensing area behind the steering wheel. It's this little icon. Put the key on it. Then apply the brakes and start the car. The car started successfully immediately. Have you learned it? Follow me. There's more car knowledge on the homepage.